I got this package in PR from Blushing Girl Tools Beauty Essentials, and it's been here for quite a while. Okay, so let's finally unbox it and we're going to swatch them together. Okay, you guys even get to see what's inside before me, so let me see. Oh my god, this is such a very nice packaging. It says hi beautiful. It came with a note. How to apply your lipstick. Okay, so they are lipsticks. For best results, apply generously with the wand. Avoid smacking lips. Okay. Read instructions because I probably would have smacked my lips. Avoid smacking lips to achieve even distribution of products. The wand guarantees smooth and even layers. To remove lipstick, simply apply coconut oil on a cotton ball and gently wipe off products. I don't think I have the energy to do all that. I'll just use my melting balm. But let's unbox it, okay? Is that an eyeshadow I'm seeing? It comes with a black eye pencil, a brown eyebrow pencil that has a wand attached, 3 liquid lipsticks, and an eyeshadow primer. I'll definitely be trying this eyeshadow primer because I'd like to see how it compares to what I already have. But I opened this to swatch the lipsticks, okay? So let's go in. So I got 3 lipsticks in, oh god, I might butcher the names, but okay. So Bidao, Brown Sugar, and Linana here. So I'm going to open all of them and I'll start from the lightest to the darkest shade so we can actually get a true shade of what it looks like. Okay, so this is what it comes like, and you can see the color but you can't actually tell exactly what color it is. So let me just pull this out. So this is what it looks like. The next one I'll be opening is Brown Sugar. So I'm thinking this might be brown. Yeah, I think I would like this one. Oh, this is going to work perfectly as a liner. So the next one is Lenana. This is like, it's giving maroon. So let me just swatch it at the back of my hand first. Okay, so this one is Lenana. You guys, this is really pigmented. All right, then the next one I'll be swatching is Brown Sugar. Yeah. I would really like this as a lip liner. And the last one is Bidao. So this is what it looks like. So now let's swatch it on my lips, okay? The first one I'll be going in with, actually all of them are all dark, but I think I'll start with the Bidua. I'll be swatching it without any lip liner. So let's see. Okay, so this is what Bidua looks like. What do you guys think? I did not smack my lips, so I just applied it top and bottom, no smacking. I feel like if I line my lips, it's going to bring out the color more, but yeah, this is it without any lip liners. The next one we'll be swatching is Brown Sugar. Yeah, I know this will work so good as a liner, but let's just use it all over the lips first. What do you guys think? You guys, these lipsticks are very, very mattifying. So one thing's for sure, if you don't wear a lip balm, a very good conditioning lip balm before putting this on is really going to dry out your lips. So make sure your lips are highly moisturized before you wear this, okay? Next one we'll be trying is the last but not the least, is Lenana. So let me wipe this off. This will work as a good lip liner as well, but let's color the whole lip and see. So this is what Lenana looks like. It's definitely giving vampy. I also feel like it's going to work very well as a lip liner for a red lipstick. It kind of reminds me of MAC Night Moth. So yeah, something like that. If you like that, you would definitely like this. And yeah, my overall thoughts on the products. The first one which I swatched, which was Bidua. That one is giving anti vibes, so I don't think I'll be wearing that one. But for the other two, I'll definitely be using them as a liner. Or if you're daring, you can wear it like this. I've actually worn a black lipstick like this before and it was really nice. So if you're daring enough, you can wear it. My overall thoughts, I didn't get a chance to wear it for a long time, so I don't know how it's going to wear, if it's going to crack or anything like that. But I'm going to say one thing for sure. If you're going to wear this lipstick, make sure your lips are very, very moisturized, okay? Make sure you're wearing a very good conditioning lip balm before you wear these lip glosses. Overall, I like them. I'll definitely be using them. Thank you, Blushing Girl Tools, for sending me these goodies. I'll definitely be wearing them. And if this is your vibe, make sure you check them out. Let me know which one you prefer the most. Don't forget to like and share this video. Bye!